Good morning, boys. In this super short video, I am going to explain what do you have to do during your independent work. Today, and all these like 2 weeks maybe, we are going to be reviewing repeated addition, okay, or different ways to make multiplications later, okay? The basic one is the repeated addition that we practiced last week. Later, we're gonna do other kind of repeated addition with arrays. Today, we're gonna do it with groups. As you can see here, remember last week I told you that a repeated addition means repeating and adding plus the same number. You repeat the same number and then you add. And that later becomes a multiplication. Okay? So, sorry, let me go here to do the first one. So here it says 4 twos. That means we already have the 4 groups. That's the 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And inside each group, you put 2. And then you repeat it because they have to be inside each group. So I already have it here. So let me repeat here. Sorry. This is my first one. So let me duplicate. And I'm going to bring it here. So I repeat 2, 1, 2. Then other 2. Then other 2. So at the end, I end up having 4 twos. This is 1, 2, other 2, other 2, that's 3, and other 2, that's 4. So we have 4 twos. So how many are there in all? If when you have 4 twos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 twos equals 8. I am going to give you dojo points. If you only do this, you get 100 today. But I'm going to give you dojo points. If you write the repeated addition, that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and we stop because remember it's 4 twos. I already have 1, 2, 3, 4. And put equals because it's an addition 8. And for the ones that already understand the multiplication, you can write it and you get other dojo point. So 4 twos is the same as 4 times the 2. 4 times the number 2, so it equals 8. That means that if we repeat that 2 4 times, it equals 8. That's why here it says 4 times the number 2. We put 4 times the number 2, and that equals 8. Let's do the next one. It says 3 fives. So let's repeat the 5 3 times. We already have it 1. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just put them separate. And then we repeat again 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we repeat or when we have 3 fives, how many are there in all? We have 5. Another 5, 10. Another 5, excellent, 15. So just with that again, you get 100. But if you want to get extra points in Class Dojo, you have to write the addition. So how many are in the first group? 5 plus, how many are in the second group? 5. How many are in the third group? 5. Very good. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Bebe, no. Equals 15. Sorry for my doggy. And another extra point if you write the multiplication. So 3 fives, Bebe, 3 fives is the same as 3 times the 5. 3 times 5. And it equals 15. So that's all that we are doing today in your independent work right now before math class. Exactly this. Let me show you the Google Slides that I already did for you. It is here. You are going to do it on Peer Deck, so you know you love that. So it tells you 2 threes. They already did the first 3 for you, so you complete the other 3. And then you write how many in all. But if you want extra points, you write the addition. You can do it here or all here. Write the repeated addition and then write the multiplication if you want more points. The same here for 2's. You already have the first 2, so put other 2, other 2, other 2. Write how many in all. Then 3 5's and then 2 4's. Again, for all of them, you're going to get a lot of W points if you write in each of them the repeated addition and the multiplication. So you may go and do your work.